Okay, everything in my life is a hot mess right now, but I got the thing! AEthelmearc Artisan's Exchange gift from my friend Kate, and yeah, I'm about to open it. Let me get the package open so that you don't see the address and stuff. Okay, here we are. You're seeing it same time I am. Okay. We have a letter, which I will read, and a package with super spiffy tissue paper around it. It's soft. It's something soft. Okay, that's what's in there. Hey, check this out. My son found a really cool fossil. Look at that. Okay. Ooh, there's a woven thing. Oh, wow. Look at those. Super spiffy. Good job, Kate. Ah. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Look at those. Wow. So her letter reads, "My dear Mistress Abigail, I am aware that you are sheltering from the plague in the far north and worry for your welfare. As I, too, am in exile, I have much time on my hands and find myself more productive than usual at the fine needle arts. Before the arrival of the plague, I had perchance to meet a traveling monk. Among his possessions was a set of fine silk stockings from Spain, which he kindly let me examine before delivering them to the palace. I cannot begin to tell you of their glory, being delicate as gossamer, with a new decoration at the ankles called a clock. Scandalous as it seems to decorate one's ankles, presuming they might be seen, I could not get their image from my brain. I am enclosing a pair of stockings not worthy of those I studied, but with them in mind. I have used but 30% silk and the rest the softest wool that I could find. The wool, I hope, will keep you warm on the chill nights this time of year. As I have not seen you in some time, I made them with what I hope is a little large. Wool, of course, has the advantage of shrinking if you so need. The red color is all the rage on the continent from what I hear. I am sure you have garters, but just in case, I have enclosed 2 ribbons that I wove. There they are. I am afraid the quality does not match the stockings, as I am only a beginner at weaving." This is pretty good. This is not bad. Thank you so much, Kate. I love these, and I will put them on and take pictures. Okay, so these are the stockings on. They are a tiny bit big, but they go over my tension hose real nice. I love them. They are super awesome. Thank you so much.